Folks, we're so glad you got to come by with us. We went to the Extravaganza today, right here in Mount Dora, Florida. We had a blast. We're going to show you how we made out right here on my take on Home and Garden. Here we are, the Extravaganza 2021, Mount Dora, Florida. Glad y'all could make it. We're gonna be running for those antique finds.
Gonna have fun today, guys.
Yep.
Excited.
There's Angela with her mask. This is just one small corner.
We only charge $5 to video.
Okay.
See, we cut it back.
Ellen, eat your heart out with these peacock chairs.
Glamour Ellen.
Here we go, guys. Some of you got to come with us. Icy Idaho Girl. And let's see, who else? Glamour Ellen. We're going to give her a little shout. She has a cute channel. And I tease her all the time about bling, bling, glam, glam, and all you bling bling girls, but she does a good channel, and we'll link it in the description box at the end of the video. So guys, you know we're big on glass, and we had some good finds. It wasn't a blockbuster day like going to the estate sale, but it was a really good day. We just had a riot, just a blast. So one of the things I want to show you, you remember our blue, cobalt blue glass collection? We had just a couple pieces of what they call modern tone by Hazel Atlas Company in the 30s to 50s. And we only have 1 or 2 cups and saucers. Now we got 2 or 3. And, you know, 30 years of collecting. Just thrilled to get that. Okay? $5. That's at least a half or a third of the normal price. Really, really good. Really good price. Now we'll go even older here. Some of you that are real sharp and have been with us and watched our videos, you might say, well, I've seen that, but I'm going to show you that you haven't seen it. This is from the late 1800s. I had a dealer date this. It is about 1890, and it's a pair of Lovebirds on a candy dish, and I'm telling you, it's just out of this world. There's birds on the side, okay? It's in the cut or sandwich glass style. And this goes, but you can look this up and you can find it that going that back that much. I'm just nuts about it. They had $50 on it. I wanted it bad, and I'm going to show you why. I got this for $25. Now here's why I wanted it so bad. This is the one you saw that we've had for 10 years. It's exactly the same. You'll notice the one tail feather is curled up and one is straight out. And you know I've told you before, I love pairs. So can you see this? Especially on a 12-seater table, you can have one at each end. And I just went nuts over it. Then Angela had quite a cute find. You know, when Easter comes, we gotta have cute. Here is a salt and pepper rabbits. And the best part is they're Fitz and Floyd. Real desirable, real collectible. Look at these. How cute. And where you gonna go, folks? Then we got a bigger rabbit, the same lady. Real sweet. Now she had $8 on these, which is really good, okay? She had this bigger bunny. Now, it is marked, but it's not Fitz and Floyd, and I'm not sure. WCL, I'm not sure who it is. You know, I don't pretend to know everything. But the paint job and the colors are fabulous. I mean, it looks like a family, right? She had $7 on this. And here's the magic word. I asked her, can you do a bundle for us on all 3? And she said, yeah, I can do those for 12. Okay, sold. Loved it. So really cute, just a sweetheart. And she made money and we got a deal. And that's why we go. So we're getting set up for Easter. Don't be mad because we found it first, you girls doing a table. Next, you see we have a huge vinegar collection. You know, I talked about it before. We have very few that aren't clear glass. There's very few. They're kind of hard to get a hold of. Look at this beauty. In the Depression era pink. Now, even though I think it's newer, it's nice and thick. It's well done. It has the stopper, is proper, same color, and it fits. Okay? You know you're not getting this for what I paid for that one in the estate sale. But guys, I was thrilled to pieces to pay $10 for this. Beautiful color, and it's gonna help add to our vinegar cruet collection. Just fantastic. So happy with that. You know, I'm not a pink glass guy, but Angela has some. And once in a while, we just love a piece and have to get it. So you see like the Lovebirds candy dish. I mean, it's just superb. So I don't mind pink, right? I got this, and I think of walking down the city street and just kicking a can with an old style shoe like this. This is a fabulous color and size, and of course it was an ashtray. All right, I almost feel guilty about this. At $7. I'm nuts about it. It's real heavy, thick. It's probably 60s, and I'm nuts about it. Look at the color. Anyway, you know we love the Nippon and the Oriental. We have to always add more is more. You know where we're coming from. More is happy. That's what it does. This, even though it's unmarked, it does say hand painted in Japan. And it's a chocolate pot. It's out of this world, guys. Okay? Look at the detail here. Here's the cute top. Typical. The style and the colors. $20 for that Oriental cocoa pot. Real reasonable. Just thrilled with that. Angela, thinking about spring. That's what she set out to do, is to find some cute things for spring. She come up with this, I'd call it maybe a 70s serving tray with the ducks. Look at how cute. Oh my God, I loved it. And it's extra big. It's a nice size. Perfect for your Easter season and spring. Can you see this was a yellow arrangement for spring? $10, guys. Next, I saw this. It almost looked like a hat box, but it was quite a ways away. It's a tin. It's heavier than today's stuff. Okay, so, and you got the girl on one side in the Victorian era dress, and the boy. And then this top comes off. It's on there good. See what I mean by this is, it's beefy. It's not like today's super thin stuff. See what I mean by the little bit of wear. Extra cute. $20. Two more things. Angela again. She got this incredible vintage gold filigree, which means it's gold filled. Okay, glass bud vase. And they had $65 on this, and look how you remember her. We got to clean it up a little bit better, but just for the video, you remember her jewelry boxes and music boxes and her ormolu style. That's what this looks like. Boy, will that go sweet with them. They had 65 on this. We got it for $30. $30, the spoiled girl. Yes, sir. You know it. It is so delicate and unique. It's really beautiful. I love a lot of different horses, especially in the Roman armor or Trojan horse style, or what they call in the Oriental style, like a Tang, T-A-N-G, Tang horse, which was for, you know, the emperor and his close soldiers. This is in kind of in between that style, and I really liked it. Because if you try to find these or look for them, they just want an arm and a leg. They're really pricey. Okay, they had 20 on this. It's a real solid. It might be resin, but I'm glad because it'll be tougher. It could be ceramic. 15 bucks. Just nuts about it. And this will go with my Roman, Greco-Roman collection, or it could go with my Oriental collection. It's just that versatile that it can fit in. So I loved it. So folks, I know you had fun. Get out there when you can and get those finds and add to those collections, and it puts a smile on your face and it makes you happy. You know it. Thanks everybody for coming by. We're so glad that you're with us, and you know you can follow us on Instagram, and we got a lot of cute stills on there. If you're not too busy, give us a like, a share, a comment. I gotta do a Valentine table. Yeah, I know I do. We have a collab coming up. We'll get into that later. Please check out Glamour Ellen. She's just a little doll, and she does a heck of a table. Any of you bling bling, glim glam girls out there, you'll really appreciate it. Take care now.